right, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to another episode of The Open with Esco Trading. I'm your host, Esco the Trader. So, we had a great day yesterday. Good, strong rally into the close. The CPI came out this morning. Inflation is up. Market did not react very well to those news. So, with that being said, we had a decent little sell-off going off this morning. SPY actually came down and broke the first demand zone. Flushed literally right through it as if it wasn't even there, and now we're down at the second one. There's only one left, and that's down at 447. We're currently at 451. We're sitting on top of this demand zone, but it's very small. If we flush through that one, I will be very bearish this morning, and I can see us going back down to 443. I'm looking to play in my upper left-hand corner, CVS, upper right, Walmart, lower left, JP Morgan, and lower right, Tesla. I was actually feeling pretty confident about JP Morgan this morning. I figured the banks were going to react differently off of the news. But it's just a wait and see right now. I'm going to give the market a little bit of time and see what it ends up giving us. I was hoping that we were going to be able to catch CVS a little bit higher than where it currently is right now, but it started flushing really hard this morning. Off of failed earnings, it just ended up taking a deeper dive. Alright, so it's just a wait and see right now. Tesla just ended up flushing my level. I'm looking to see if the SPY can bring things back up and then reject so we can catch it on the way down. Alright, there's CVS. Almost lost it there for a second. Here we go. Alright, watching the banks, watching Tesla. Walmart looks like it's starting to give out. Alright, SPY and Q bouncing just a little bit off of that demand zone. 451 demand zone on SPY. Let's see if it looks weak and ends up coming back down. Alright, looks like we're getting a little bit of a pop here. Just a wait. It's just a patient wait and see right now. We don't need to move on anything right now. SPY and Q starting to rally a little bit. Just a little bit of a rally here. Alright. Let's see what the SPY is doing here. Got some alerts right here on Kellogg's. I have some alerts for some calls right now. Look like it's going up. It cleared the supply zone that I had posted up here for it. Let me take a look here at Kellogg's quickly. Yep, exactly what I wanted it to do. So Kellogg's is on its way up right now into this next zone. If it clears this zone, I would be interested in taking calls right here. CVS is looking like it's starting to get a little rally over here too. I'll set another alert for Kellogg's right here. I needed to clear this second one. I was going to jump in and try to catch this little space right here, but, you know, it's kind of risky. So I'd rather just sit back and clear this upper channel, and then that way I know for a fact we should be good to go. Trying to adjust this alert. There we go. There we go. Let's go ahead and set that alert. Alright, so we'll come back to that. Let's get back to Walmart right now. Yeah, Walmart's being a little bearish. It's not giving us a clean flush right now. It's opening lower, but unless the SPY and Q reject right here, I'm not going to be interested in taking it. Because it could just reverse on us. It could reverse very quickly. I'm looking up at the order book right now. Big order at 136.10 for 300,000 shares. So we're about 24 cents down from there. So unless we get a rejection from the indices, I'm not gonna go against the flow of the river. All right, Walmart. Couple big orders. 136.30 for 317,000 shares. I think it's bouncing on this order right there. Now, if it breaks that order, I would be interested in taking it down. Let me change my contracts to the 137s. Yep, look like it's breaking that that order. It's looking pretty weak. Sitting right here at that order. Yep, there we go. Let's go ahead and try to get in Walmart right here. That order should bounce it a little bit, but then it should end up coming back down. We're in Walmart. All right, so Walmart's the only trade that we're in right now. We got in right here, 136.37. So I'm looking for a continuation down. I don't know how low we can go, but I need it to go down probably to about 136. I'll get out. If we get down to 136, I'll get out. Tesla, I'm looking for a rejection right up in this area. This 921 and 925 area. The SPY and Qs, they're kind of holding right now. They're not really going up. They're not really going down. They're just kind of sitting here, suspended. So let's see. If we get a rejection here, I'll be looking to see if that can help Walmart come down a little bit. All right, now we have some orders starting to stack up on Walmart between 136.20 all the way down to 136. I have a lot of buyers down here in this area. SPY and Q are just sitting still right now. They're not even moving. All right, Tesla's going to be our next move. Tesla's getting close to this reject level. I have some 900 puts loaded. All right, watching the indices tight. All right, watching the Qs. If the Qs reject here off of VWAP, this could bring Tesla down. All right, let's go ahead and jump in with Tesla. It's rejecting 920.90. See if we get filled. See if we get filled. Are we filled? No, we didn't get filled. Let's try another order. All right, we got 2 orders out there, just sitting there, man. Wow, we got filled on 8. It better reject here now, because if it doesn't, we are not going to be in a good place. All right, here's our rejection. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right, let's get out right here. Come on, come on, come on. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Lord, we're not getting out.
Hey.
All right, we got to get out of Walmart too. We're not getting out of Tesla. It's not. Man, wow. We missed a good part of that. Oh, that was Walmart. We're still not out of Tesla. This is crazy. Let me try to get out, cancel this order, put another one in. Come on, Tesla, get us out. There we go. All right, apparently wants to give us a little more, which is fine, but we still need to get out. If we market out of this right now, we're going to lose a lot of money. We're not getting our orders. We're not getting our orders loaded. Tesla is literally sitting here waiting for us, and we're not able to get out. All right, you're just gonna have to mark it out. I think we're gonna end up taking a loss too. We're out. We're out of Tesla right there. Unfortunately, we got out on. It said it executed us at 726. The price was 935. If we ended up going red on that one, I swear I'm gonna stop using this platform. That was disappointing. That is disappointing. Oh my gosh, that is disappointing. At least we were able to get out before it reversed fully like that. 726. That was like $170 less than where we were right there at the current price. All right, SPY and Qs are looking like they're heading back up now. Walmart's coming back down. All right, Tesla's going back into our zone right here. Let's see if they're gonna reject again. We'll load another, not 8, but maybe 4 contracts. All right, Tesla's ripping right here. JP Morgan's looking a little weak. Sitting right now. I don't know how this even opened up. Sorry about that. There we go. Walmart is coming back down again. Alright, so let's see. Let's see if Tesla is going to reject and come back down. Now it's in our zone. It has another dollar higher to go up. That was a nice rejection on Walmart there at 136.66. Alright, we have some sellers stacked on Walmart now. Nice. If Walmart gets back up to 136.50, I'll look to re-enter some puts. So 136 puts. All right, let's see if Walmart's gonna get back up there. All right, looking to get in some more puts here on Walmart. Not yet on Walmart, not yet. I'm looking for the SPY and Qs to show some weakness. Everything right now is going up, so I don't want to anticipate. Tesla rejected a little bit early. I was hoping Tesla will reject at 920, up here at 926, but they rejected at about 920, just about 925 and a half. That was a decent little $3 rejection. All right, here goes Walmart. All right, here comes Tesla. Damn, that was the move we were looking to get right here. But I was hoping it would come up a little bit higher. I thought it was going to come up a little bit higher up here and then reject. I was trying to catch this move right here that they just made, but it is what it is. It is what it is. We can't sit up here and cry over spilled milk, as they say. We'll just wait to see if there's another opportunity. This is actually better than the first one that we took. All right, looking at Walmart right up here at 136.66. I want to get in. There's a big sell order at 136.70, just a little bit higher. I want to get in and catch that rejection, but the SPY is just ripping right now, and I do not want to go against this. We have nothing but green volume bars within the first 14 minutes of the trading day. You do not want to play puts against that kind of strength. All right, so Q's ripping right now. So bank's starting to go. I had some JP Morgan calls, 157.50s. Let's see. Yep, we get above. Grab these 160s. See if we can grab about 20 of these. All right, I need JP Morgan above 158.25. If it closes above that, I'll be able to get in. I just do not want to catch a rejection here. I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback from the indices, though. They've been ripping for 14 minutes now. They have to pull back. They have to. All right, Qs. We have a candle here turning red. Here we go. They got to pull back a little bit. There's no way. All right, JP Morgan's looking pretty good here. Qs. Light volume on this pullback. JP Morgan, I want to get in this. Watching the Qs here. SPY's pulling back a little bit. SPY's pulling back. Qs pulling back.
Hey.
Alright. I knew we had to get a pullback. That was just a hell of a 14-minute run to just not have any pullback whatsoever. Watching JP Morgan. Over here in the lower left-hand corner. Alright, Q's starting to pull back a little bit. Walmart rejected again at that 136.66. Was not paying attention to that because I'm watching JP Morgan. Alright, JP Morgan's pulling back. Q's pulling back. SPY look like it just wants to go. Alright, let's get in JP Morgan right here. Boom. We're in JP Morgan. 158.25 right here. Let's see if we can catch this going up. Alright, SPY right now is holding this level. It's getting a quick little pump. Tesla's pumping. CVS is pumping upper left-hand corner. Walmart once again rejected at this 136.66. That was a good second opportunity, right? Should have gotten in that. All right. SPY and Qs. We're getting a little bit of volume right here on this pump. Let's see if we can get JP Morgan to hit up. All right, Qs look like they're starting to go. They're rejecting off the 50. SPY looks like it just wants to go, man. If the Qs can get above the 50, that can give us some room. Walmart's back at this 136.66 again. All right, we got some low volume on this pullback. All right, Q's trying to break this 50. If it breaks the 50, we might be in a pretty good position. All right, there goes JP Morgan starting to go. All right, let's go ahead and check out Boeing. Damn, Boeing is gone. Boeing is gone. Let's take a look at Boeing. See if we can catch a pullback on Boeing. All right, we're looking at the 220s. 220s look good. All right, let's see if we can get 5 of those. Boeing just went this morning. All right, Walmart again rejected off of this level. Yeah, this 136.66, very strong level. It's been rejected 3 times, but we're making higher highs. I'm sorry, we're making higher lows. We're making higher lows here, so it might be running out of selling pressure. As you can see, it's going up. So it's not coming down with each rejection to the same level. All right, BA over here, this is beautiful. This is what we want to see on a good rally in the morning. All right, Q's rejecting, Tesla's rejecting. Boeing, not even fazed by what's going on with the indices right now. All right, we'll add again if it ends up coming down here to this pivot. We'll add again on JP Morgan. All right, Q's starting to come down. Tesla might be a good, all right, let's get in Tesla right there. 918, we just got in 918 on Tesla. Q's look like they want to come down a little bit more. All right, if it's sitting at, the Q's are sitting at VWAP right now. If they, oh man, there goes Walmart. Man. Qs look like they can come down a little bit more, probably about another 40 cents. If they do, they're going to bring Tesla. There it goes, Tesla. All right, Tesla can come down a little bit more. All right, we're not going to be greedy. Let's get out right here. There we go. Man, this is insane. We got cheated again on Tesla. What is going on? All right, so yeah, you can see with Walmart up here, you know, the first rejection at 136 came down, 136.60. Second rejection came down. Third rejection broke our trend line and came down. I don't know if it's going to be a fourth one, but that was two good opportunities to have caught rejections off of that level. All right, Tesla, nice rally on Tesla. JP Morgan, we're losing volume on this pullback, so hopefully we can finally get a little rip and move up. Watching Boeing up here at 218. If the SPY and the Q start to go, this Boeing can take off again. Boeing is sitting right here on the 9. A couple of big orders at 219.85 on Boeing, so we're only about $1 away. Here comes Walmart, man. All right, we're gonna get in. We're gonna add on JP Morgan if it ends up coming back down here to the VWAP. Tesla's back in our zone up here. All right, there goes Boeing. That's what we wanted to catch right there. Let's see, it's at 219.48. Yeah, 219.85. We don't have any room. SPY and the Qs are ripping right now. All right, all right, Tesla again. Let's see. We're going to watch Tesla for a reject. We're going to watch Tesla for a reject. We'll hit it again.
Hey.
All right, watching SPY and Tesla's hungry this morning. All right, JP Morgan. Yeah, Boeing. Wow, Boeing is. You have a 300,000 order and a 200,000 order sitting right here, right at the top of Boeing. Now, if it rips through that, I'm getting in some calls. I'm getting in. If we make it to 220 and literally rip through these orders like they weren't even there, I'm getting in. All right, Tesla look like it's pulling back a little bit. About 15 seconds left on this candle. All right, SPY and Qs are looking good. Qs look like they are going up a little bit higher. Tesla's sitting here in the reject zone, right at the top of my reject zone. Tesla is gone. Tesla has a lot of momentum this morning. There you go. Tesla's gone. So it's out of my zone. So at this point, unless the Qs reject up here about 40 cents higher, unless they reject hard, I'm not gonna play. I'm not gonna play Tesla rejects. All right, so we're still in JP Morgan here. We're gonna give it a little bit of time. Let's look at AMC. AMC, I just got an alert that look at this. AMC is almost back at $20. What's really going on? Look at these candles. I remember these candles at the end of last year. This is some serious rallying right now. All right, Boeing is being slowed down. It's at 219.80, 219.65. Yeah, I think these big orders are slowing Boeing down. They're trying to prevent it from going over 220. As soon as they go 220, I'm in. 219.94. 219.94. 219.73. AMC is ripping right now. AMC look like it's about to go. All right, watching the SPY and Qs right here. Let's pull up some AMC contracts. All right, these 1950s look pretty good. We'll just sit tight on AMC. We'll expect a little bit of pullback. These are two aggressive candles that it just had.
Hey.
SPY and Q look like they're in a zone right now. All right, the SPY is just under the 200. Q's just under the 200. AMC can get a little bit of a pullback right here. All right, JP Morgan is holding this 157.50 level. So far we're good. All right, yeah, 220 is being heavily defended on Boeing right now. Starting to get a little bit of a pullback coming down. If it gains more momentum, we get some more green volume, like volume starts to kick in and we rip through that, I'm definitely going to jump in on some calls. All right, AMC looks like its momentum has been slowed down. 19, big order, 500,000, not 500,000, 54,000 shares. Oh no, it is 500,000 shares. I'm sorry. 500,000 shares at 19 slowed down this momentum. The SPY looks like it's been slowed down too. They're both, the SPY and Qs are both under the 200. All right, the Qs look like it wants to go. The Qs look like it wants to go. Qs are definitely showing some strength right now. Yeah, the Qs are going. They're going. Tesla should be rebounding right here. AMC should be getting ready to pop right here as well. Let's see if it gets through this 19. It looks like it's getting through this night. Yep, we're in AMC. We're in some 1950s. Our order's just sitting out there. There we go. We're in AMC right there. We're in some 1950 calls. Qs are going. Let's see what Tesla's going to do right here. It's at the top of my zone now. We don't have that much room to the 200. We have probably about 50 cents. We have about 50 cents up, which is enough for AMC. With 20. Ooh, there we go. There we go with AMC. That's a decent little amount. AMC look like it can get to about 1950. That's where the next set of orders are, 1950. So let's go ahead and put a marker up here. Right there. That's going to be our finish line on AMC. All right, Tesla's at the top of our zone. SPY and Q are holding very tight. Boeing over here on our left, yeah, that 220, man, it's being defended. There's a wall of sell orders right there. Look like we're getting decreasing selling volume, so that's good. That's good. That's what we want to see. All right, AMC is at 19, holding tight. Now we have some orders at 1910, 1917, 1920. All right, watching the SPY. That was a little baby pullback. This has been a nice rally this morning. I got to give it to the market. Beautiful rally this morning. All right, the Qs are sitting right here at support. SPY looks like it's trying to go. Let's see if the Qs are going to go up with it. Qs are pulling down. SPY is going up. Come on, Qs. Get it together. There we go. There we go. All right, we're getting a rally back on AMC. We're back at 1906. JP Morgan needs to wake up over here. All right, we're at 220 again with Boeing. We're at 220. All right, let's go, SPY. SPY's having a little bit of a hard time getting through 455.50. Yeah, there's a little bit of a rejection here at 455.50. Come on, SPY. Q's is coming down. Man, come on. All right. We just sit and wait now. They're pulling back again. Yeah, this level, this 455.50 level is just heavy on SPY. All right, let's get out of AMC because I don't want to get caught in another pullback. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to sell AMC right here. Let's get out of these 20 contracts. All right, we're out of AMC. We're out of AMC. So we made a little bit on that. So we took a Tesla trade. We're still in JP Morgan. We missed Walmart. We missed both entries on Walmart. Q's is coming back down again. Q's is coming back down. We're getting a lot of volume though. There's a lot of volume this morning just for it being 30 minutes into the market. The SPY looks strong. It's the Q's that's really kind of looking, you know, not as strong. Oh, here go the Q's breaking the pivot, sitting on top of the 9. Looks like it wants to come down. Look at AMC. Boeing and AMC are pretty much being held back right now by the indices. If they would just rip, I swear to you, Boeing and AMC would just be flying. All right, we're losing volume on this push right here. The Q's are definitely losing volume. So we're getting decreasing volume. AMC looked like it was about to hit our target. We could have left some runners, but I just didn't want to get caught in another pullback. I really feel that if we would have gotten caught in another pullback, that wouldn't have worked out well for us because we were in 20 contracts and we already got caught in a 10-cent pullback. So being that we came back 10 cents and then rallied almost 30 cents, you know, we were able to walk away with a profit, but that pullback hurt. I'm gonna watch because JP Morgan right now is, I want to add, but I need to see some rising volume over here. I need to see some the volume needs to be up here where it was in the beginning. If it's gonna hold this level, I need to see some volume coming in for me to want to add. All right, there go the SPY and Qs. There goes JP Morgan taking their sweet time. Let's go. All right, now the SPY is about to hit the 200, so I can expect a rejection here. Let's go ahead and get out of JP Morgan because if we get caught up in this, it's not gonna be nice. So we're gonna exit JP Morgan here. We're gonna take a loss on JP Morgan. I just feel like if the SPY rejects here at the 200, JP Morgan is gonna flush. All right, we're out of JP Morgan, so we took a small loss there. Tesla's gone. Tesla's looking really strong. Just broke out of this bear flag that it had right here. AMC actually looks clean. AMC should make it to 1950, no problem. I see a lot of buy orders. I really don't see a lot of sell orders. The SPY just passed the 200. Wow. The SPY just broke 200 and Boeing broke 220. All right, so we're in Boeing. I think the next contract up on Boeing would be 222. 220, yeah, 222.50 actually. You know what? We can stay in these 220s because we're only at 220.11. So instead of doing 5, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get 2 because I think we're gonna get pulled back a little bit here. I'll do 2 if we get back down to 220, and then I'll add. I don't want to anticipate We got a lot of volume right here on this push. This is what I'm talking about right here. This is what we want to see. And as you can see, JP Morgan is pulling back, which is why I wanted to get out of that. Didn't want to take a bigger loss. Okay, yeah, the SPY, yeah, it's rejecting at the 200. So we can expect a little bit of a pullback here on Boeing. But Boeing cleared 220, which is good. We have a lot of buy orders starting to get stacked. All right, 219.98. We could probably all right, let's jump in right here. We're jumping in two with Boeing at 219.97. So I have 3 more I can add if Boeing pulls back down. If it comes back to 219, I'm going to add 3 more. That 200, man, that 200 is really strong. All right, Boeing looks good. SPY starting to go. We might have to add these 3 right now. SPY looks like it's trying to go. All right, let's get in 2 more. We're in 2 more right there with Boeing. So we're in 4 now. I'll save this last one. If we start to pull back. But SPY is just ripping. All right, the Qs is about to hit the 200 right now. All right, let's lock in some profits on Boeing. I like how my orders are getting filled with Boeing. That's how all my orders should be processed. I have 1 contract left on Boeing. Yeah, the SPY pulled back hard on that. All right, so we have 1 contract in. We made like 5% on that quick little move, but we still have 1 contract left on Boeing. And the SPY looks really strong. The Qs are still struggling. All right, let's get out right here on this last contract while it's going up. All right, we just put out order to get out of that last Boeing. All right, it's at 60, 63. All right, let's see if we can. I just have a feeling this thing is gonna come down. We're gonna cancel that and try to get out right here. All right, we're out of Boeing completely. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All right, SPY is just under the next supply zone. Yeah, this is a pretty big supply zone here at 457. It's currently at 456.50. So at this point, we really don't need to chance it. We're green for the day. We ended up taking a loss on JP Morgan, Walmart. We did good on Boeing. We did good on Tesla. We got robbed a little bit on Tesla. Tesla could have been our biggest winner for the day. I think we got robbed like over $500 because we couldn't get out of those contracts. But we're green for the day, so we have to give the market some time to see what it's gonna do at the zone. All right, so as you can see, AMC hit our target of 1950, so we're good. Another green day. We took a little bit of a hit on Tesla, being that it cheated us, robbed us again, but you know, what can you do? All right, folks, so we're gonna end the day here.
Hey.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of The Open with Esco Trading. I am your host, Esco the Trader. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the afternoon. And remember to always trade what you see and not what you think. Pay attention to AMC, though. It looks like it's about to hit 20.